Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Christian Rain Pastor, and welcome back to CRP Films. Stop and consider God's wonders. So today guys, it's Black Friday here in Canada, and we're so blessed that we bought this two items. Yun nga, Black Friday ngayon dito sa Canada, and mapalad kami guys kasi nakabili kami at napakamura. I will first unbox this one guys, the Bose speaker, and the second one, I also bought a Beats Solo 3. So yeah, are you excited now guys? So come on and start na natin na unbox to guys. So anong unahin natin? Ito nga, no Bose. So yan, my friends got this kind of speakers guys, and yun, napaganda yung sound niya, yung quality as in napakaganda, solid na solid. So yun, excited na rin ako na buksan na to at i-test natin. Okay guys, so join with me as I unbox first this Bose speaker. And I got the knife here. And so buksan na natin guys. So yun no, excited na rin ba kayo? Cover excited ka na? Excited ka? Yes sir. Ayos, so guys, yeah. Iwa tong. So ipil lang natin tong plastic guys ha. Oh no. Yan. Ang Beats mamaya i-unbox din natin. Solo 3, Beats Solo 3. Yeah. Gosh. So plastic. Yeah. Suabe. Ano ba ito? Yun.
Sala ko.
Ayos.
Sala.
Yun, so here it is guys, the Bose speaker. Yun, speaker, and then the manuals, instruction manuals here. Yun, and other stuff here, paper stuff, and down below, let's find out what's inside here. So you could find also cords, a cord only. Yep, I think it's a no, it's not a type C, it's a, let me see first the cord. Di pala siya type C board, no?
Type ko ako eh.
Type AB. So the cord, may, yan. Parang gano'n din yung mga vlogger, di ba? Ginaganon nila. Ang layo pala board. Ayan. I think that's everything inside the box. So let's go now to the speaker itself. So here it is, the Bose speaker. Yun. Oh wow, look at this guys. Yeah, wow, I love the I love the texture of that. It's very smooth and it's rubberized. Yun. Yeah. Yun guys. So on top of the speaker, ayan. Dito yung mga ano guys, mga buttons niya, power, volume, everything here on top. And the texture, the quality, it's very perfect. So it's on sale, so it's very perfect. It says here that it's a water resistant, it's dust proof. So ano din siya guys, it's a soft touch silicone exterior. So yeah, you could really feel the rubberized thing here. Okay, so the good thing of this speaker guys is that if you got two speakers, you can use this at the same time, one in the left side and on the right side. So there's an app, Bose Connect app, so that you could use these speakers at the same time. So these speakers also can use this up to 8 hours. So you guys know, if you got two speakers, here's the app. So it's called Bose Connect, so that you could use these speakers together. we will now connect into to my phone. And yun guys, ito try na natin to. So yun guys, no, i-on na natin ang ating speaker.
English. To select English, press and
So yun,
hold the
mag-select pa siya ng English, tapos i-connect na natin siya sa Bluetooth.
To select English, press and hold the mobile function button. Select the Bose speaker from your mobile device's Bluetooth list.
So guys, first is you have to press this power on button, this one, and then next is you just hold and press this one between the minus and the plus sign, so that you could select your own language. So there are lots of languages here though. So yun. Okay, so I will now connect it guys to the Bose Color Soundlink Bluetooth.
Connected to Christian Raymond Pastor.
So it is now connected guys, and we'll try to play a song here. So this is now the sound guys. What can you say about it? We are on our way to Niagara Falls, and right now we just stopped here on road. Today is kinda a rainy day, but hopefully our adventure for today will be awesome. So we are right here. Use the maximum volume guys. And time check, it's already this is the maximum. Maximum na. Okay na. Hi everyone, so we are here in Niagara and we are almost there in Niagara Falls. So time check, it's 9:24 in the morning. Our topic for today is how Niagara looks like in the COVID time. So I was just playing on one of my videos in YouTube. So you can hear already the sound guys. So any comments guys, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll read it guys. Yun. So mag-comment lang kayo guys ha, kung anong gusto nyo i-comment dyan. Lagay nyo lang dyan sa comment section down below. So yun. Ano ba, ayos no? Ayos guys, ayos. So we are here in Niagara Falls and we are about to witness the big... What can you say about this speaker guys? Perfect right? So yun. Okay. So now let's go to the second item, which is the Bose Solo 3. Right? The birds na. Open na. Okay na. So yun. Right, so here it is. Oops. So the headset is here. So before that, just go further to the box inside. Tingnan mo natin guys kung anong meron pa dito. So here, meron din instructions, the manuals here, and the manuals guys. Yan, sticker. Yung sticker mo boss, pwede mo siya boss. Ilagay dito. Nilagay ko nga sa laptop ko. Then what else? Ano ba meron? Ano pa ba meron boss? Ito. Okay. So inside you could also find inside here the cord. It's this cord. So ito yung cord niya guys. Ang texture din ng ng cord niya is napakaganda and it's rubberized. You can feel it. It's rubberized and you have also a hook here in case you want to hook it in the case or in the bag. So yeah. So we're gonna remove it guys. Walang siya boards, walang walang power. Ito lang cord lang. Ganun ka. So you have to put this in the bag. Yun. So now let's open up guys the bag. So anong ang tawag nito? Anong tawag nito boards? Parang siya no? Ang texture na parang So the case of the headset is very simple and it's not rubberized though. So now let's open up guys. Uy, birds, ito na birds. Yun, so this is the Beats Solo 3. Yun. So as you can see, it's not too big. Hindi siya ganun kalaki guys na parang magdi-DJ ka na no. So I think okay naman yung Studio 3 pero ito maganda din to guys pang lang outdoors na gusto mong gumala tapos suot mo to and then ito na. So may mga stickers, you can find stickers here. And very brand new. Alright, so okay. Alright. It's a black color and it's very shiny. Napaka shiny guys. Yan, maganda. At silver yung yung name na Beats. Ayan. So you can see yan. Yung mga nasa screen. Ayan. Tira siya. So test natin guys ha. So guys, may lang ako advice lang guys kasi I have a Studio 3. So my only advice is when you use this one, you don't have to ano tawag dyan? Hindi nyo siya masyadong i-stretch guys. You don't have to stretch it because when you use this several times, it might be broken here like my Studio 3, but I will not show it to you now. So yun, just have to slightly open this one and so that it could fit in your head. So yan, na-try ko ha. Ayan, just be careful guys, ganun. Yun, ganda. Oh, bagay na bagay word. Ayan. Okay. So guys, this is not a sponsored video guys ha. Hindi siya sabihin ko hindi sponsored kasi. Ayan nga. Any comments guys, just put it down below in the comment section at yun, para malaman kung anong mga suggestions nyo or gano'n. So tignan nyo guys no, okay lang siya no, fit na siya sa tenga again. It's not too big na yun. No. You can use this guys pag mag-gym kayo, napaganda niyan gamitin. So yun. Look at the foam. The foam, yeah. Ayos guys. So in the mark here, Solo 3. Ayos boards no? Ayos. Yeah. Oh. Talasan yung nito.
Oh no!
Parang may missing
Oh no!
Saan yung cord? Ha? Walang ganyan yan? Guys, this Beats Solo 3, this one has no. The plug-in cable for this one guys is not available on this
Oh no!
in this Beats Solo 3. This one it is bought separately. So yep. But guys, this headset is very perfect and talaga magugustuhan nyo to guys, lalo na pag nagja-jog kayo or nasa gym. So yun, hindi siya gano'ng kalaki na ano talaga yung pang DJ na talaga. So napaka-perfect guys. So any comments guys just leave it in the comment section down below. So at doon nagtatapos ang ating unboxing and sa mga itong items na nabili natin ngayon sa Black Friday. So yun nga guys. So again guys, advice ko lang guys, no, just avoid too much stretching this earphone, your Beats, so that it won't be damaged. So yun nga guys, no. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribe my channel, and also please share this to your friends. Shoutout nga pala guys kay sa friend ko, Chris Kalumba, Arts and Crafts and Cold Cup. It's located in Ayunggo, Negros Oriental. So if you want to buy milk tea, just visit Chris Kalumba, Arts and Crafts and Cold Cup. So guys, thank you again so much for watching this video, and see you next time guys. Bye for now.